You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, and it's also a word in English. If you want to learn more confusing names and correct pronunciations and vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. It's a verb pronounced rob, to rob, meaning to steal something, rob. It's also short for Robert, the name Robert. The nickname for Robert in English, also pronounced as Rob. Easy how to pronounce in English. English pronunciation, American English and British English, Rob, Rob. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.